Hi guys, today we're going to do an example of synthetic division. Synthetic division is an alternate method to polynomial long division. In synthetic division, all we do is we just look at the coefficients or the multipliers of each term, and we make a little table. We just have to remember the steps, and it's actually much easier and quicker than polynomial long division. So here's our example. We've got this polynomial 3x to the fourth plus 2x cubed minus 3x minus 4, and we want to divide it by x plus 2. And we have to notice that there is no x squared term here. That is important. We're going to have to account for that. So we're going to make our table. The number that goes in the box here is the opposite of the divisor, the constant term of the divisor. So if we have x plus 2, we put a negative 2 in the box. If this was x minus 2, we would put a positive 2 in the box. And our top row is going to be the multipliers of the polynomial we're dividing into, and we have to put this 0 for the x squared term since it's missing, because we have to have all of our columns accounted for. This is our x to the fourth term, our x cubed, our x squared, our x, and our constant. So that's always the first step, is to put your number in the box and write your top row from the polynomial you're dividing into. Next step, we drop the 3, or the first number, down to our bottom row, and then we multiply our bottom row times our number in our box. So negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. We put that in our second row and into the next column, and from there we just repeat those steps over and over until we get to the end. So we're going to add in columns. 2 plus negative 6 is negative 4. Multiply box number times bottom row. Negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. Add in columns. 0 plus 8 is 8. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. Negative 3 plus negative 16 is negative 19. And negative 2 times negative 19 is 38. Negative 4 plus 38 is 34. So once our table is complete, that'll give us our answer. We just have to figure out how to interpret this. So our bottom row gives us our answer. The rightmost number is the remainder. So in this case, 34 is the remainder. And the rest of the numbers will give us the coefficients of our polynomial as our answer. So the number to the left of the remainder is your constant term, so that's negative 19. The number to the left of that is your x term, that would be plus 8x. The number to the left of that is your x squared term, minus 4x squared, and this is our x cubed term, 3x cubed. And this is how we write our remainder. You just put the remainder over the divisor, which in this case was x plus 2. If the remainder is negative, you would change this sign here to negative. In this case it's positive, so our last term will be plus 34 over x plus 2. If your remainder is 0, you just leave this term off, and your last term would be your constant term. But this is our answer, and that's all for today.